What up, what up? Welcome to the first vlog. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing. We have a lot of cool stuff, and before I get started with that, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Norman. I drive a 2006 NC Miata, and I daily a GC 2.5 RS. And yeah, this channel is basically just gonna be a journey of me building my car. It's currently a 2.0, and I'm having it shipped out to the shop on Sunday. And I plan on just tracking it, taking you guys along for the journey, and hoping that I can learn from you guys, and if I can teach you guys something as well. This is gonna be the first box. This is sent from Goodwin Racing. Can you guys guess what's inside of it? Fun inside. Alright, so this is the Goodwin Roadster Competition engine mounts. The reason I got these is because, honestly, my engine's at 180K and it's coming out, so why not just get new motor mounts? There's only one? Huh, interesting. Yeah, so I figured I'd just replace the motor mounts and just kind of have, like I said, preventive issues for it kind of just breaking on me. And a lot of people on the forum said that these are really, really good. Like, a lot of other engine mounts kind of make your chassis shake, and these ones are kind of like the OEM replica, but it's a lot stronger. So a little update, I actually only got one, and there's actually two, so yeah, it kind of fucking bums me, but whatever. I just emailed Brian, and hopefully they can get this freaking in the mail as soon as possible, because I'm having the Miata get shipped out this Sunday, or yeah. Anyway, next box. Alright, so this next box, if all you NC guys know and see this, I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is already. For you guys that don't, I will open it. This is the Morimoso expansion coolant tank, and this is the first time I've seen it in person, actually. Wow, actually looks pretty sick. Alright, so the reason why I got this is because, like, again, preventive issues. And since the motor's coming out, I might as well just replace this so my motor doesn't blow, because I've had read on forums that their OEM radiator gets yellow, it cracks, and then it blows their fucking motor. And yeah, I'm putting in so much money into this motor, and I don't want that to happen. So I got one of these bad boys, and I gotta say, it looks pretty freaking nice, dude. Sounds pretty solid too. And also, if you guys are purchasing one of these, it's very highly recommended to get a cap for it. A lot of people run the OEM caps. I heard some do it pretty okay, and or some do pretty okay with it, and some people actually have their coolant just splatter out the engine because they can't hold the pressure. So I got this from Fab 9. Guys are really cool. It's kind of like a race radiator cap. It just looks awesome, but it's supposed to hold down the coolant tank pretty well, pretty solid. So yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. All right, up to the next thing. All right, so this next one is pretty big box. It is a radiator. Yeah. So why did I get a radiator? Well, engine's coming out, like I said. You might as well upgrade the radiator, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of seat time. So I'm gonna be pushing the engine, and I don't want to sit with the OEM one, so I figured just upgrade it. And honestly, it was either this or Mishimoto. The reason I chose this is because I've heard that in terms of, like, kind of, you know, high performance driving events or racing in general, that these run a lot longer and better. I'm not saying Mishimoto is bad, but I just figured, you know, kind of just strafe off and get something that not a lot of people get, but a lot of people do get this, so I don't know what I'm saying. I already cut the box out, guys. And I gotta say, this box was really light when I picked it up. Wow, this build quality already looks pretty awesome. CSF, alright, let's give it a little whirl, see what's inside. We're not gonna unbox it all the way, just because like, I kind of want to keep the packaging there, some dust and stuff doesn't get down it. Kind of little, see, just to show you guys kind of how it looks. Jesus, dude, this looks insanely clean. You can just tell by this build quality that it's really nice. I really can't wait to just push ass on this car and just not worry, you know? Like, build quality is nice. I've heard a lot of good things about CSF, but I haven't personally used any of it. You know, like I said, commonly people go Mishimoto, but like, you know, I said, hey, why not just try something different? A lot of people recommend it, race guys, all that, so. Oh yeah, every racer's guy's dream induction system. So, as you guys know, I got an induction system, aka intake. Reason being is, once I get my 2.5 in, I do plan on getting a tune. For the guys who have 2.0s and run an intake, I will tell you right now, it's pretty much useless. The OEM intake is a lot better for the MIATA. It's pretty much a cold air because the ventilation actually runs in the front bumper, and a lot of people ask, oh, should I get a cold air intake from NC? It's pretty much not recommended. I mean, you can, but you're only doing it for sound, really. Oh wow, they give you a nice license plate. That's pretty cool. I might put that on. You got the hardware here. Pretty simple install, I bet. And let's check this out. Yeah, like I said, it's not recommended because it's really just you're getting for sound, and it's like really these things are expensive, like what, 300 bucks. So the only reason why I got it is once my engine goes in, I'm gonna do a tune, and it's gonna maximize it pretty much by like what, 2 horsepower, which isn't much, but to me it's like it's out, might as well, one and done. And this is nice. All right, I'm liking the quality. They didn't have the polished one I wanted. I originally want a polish. Is this a, okay, a little cover for the top. That's pretty useful. Yeah, manual guide. And the cone, oh my god, this cone is ginormous. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I'm actually really excited to have this on because I've always wanted an intake for my Miata, but after just going so many forums, everyone's just like, no, don't do it. OEM's better unless you're tuning it. But I was like, all right, well, I'm getting a 2.5, so here it is. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing that I did. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of things happening to the car, and you know, like one of the reasons why I'm really doing this is because like I feel like there isn't enough NC Miata content out, and I'm not saying there isn't. You know, Color and Light does it, and you know, it's just a field that people, very small handful, and I really want to build this car based off like track, you know, and like kind of take you guys through the journey. I'm like a novice driver, and it'd just be cool to kind of learn with everybody and see me kind of progress on the track. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed that. There's gonna be a lot more content coming out. I won't be posting like daily or weekly. It'll be kind of like bi-weekly and possibly monthly, depending on my schedule. I do work a lot and I do go to school, so this is just purely out of fun, and you know, hopefully that when you guys watch these videos, you guys kind of learn something on the way. But anyways, yeah, you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for more content. Peace. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.